Business can be complicated, challenging to see a step ahead, let alone into the future. So what if everything was a lot more clear? Simpler, starting with your business internet. Enter wireless business internet from Verizon. Our internet solutions are easy to install and manage for nearly any size business, and you can be up and running in a snap. If you have a business that sits in multiple locations, you can easily manage your Verizon branded router features from any location using the Verizon Business Internet portal. It also gives you tools for monitoring data usage and connection health. Whether you're running on our hardware or it's something you've already invested in, no problem. We've built our network to work cost-effectively and simply. And there's no need to replace old, costly cabled infrastructure in the building because it all runs wirelessly on Verizon's award-winning network. That's what makes it so simple for businesses of any size to move on from plain old telephone service to simple, reliable wireless connectivity from Verizon. Drawing on decades of expertise, we deliver customizable solutions that are perfect for your operations, whether small, large, or in between. We help you save time and effort so you can focus on what's most important, your business. Put it all together and you get the internet service you need without the complications that can weigh you down. That's the power of simplicity. That's the power of wireless business internet from Verizon, the network businesses rely on. Partner with us for a tailored solution, a simple one.